Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your keyboard clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. To do this, open any app that allows your keyboard to pop up, like Google. Then press on this clipboard icon right here, and you will see that I have no items right now. But if I write anything, for example here, we go back, elephant, it should, yeah, and we hold to our text, select this and copy. Now we go back to the clipboard and it should be here, ready to paste. And you can do this with multiple words or even sentences. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.